We spend a lot of time with our respective phones, and after using a smartphone for 1 or 1.5 years, we start facing some problems from time to time, and something or the other doesn't work properly, and we are not always able to figure out what exactly is wrong. So in order to check what exactly is wrong, or just to see that your smartphone is healthy or not, in just 5 minutes there is an application available on the Google Play Store. This app comes handy while buying a second-hand phone as well, just to make sure that everything is alright. With that being said, this is me Rahul from Tech Daily, and let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is to fire up Google Play Store on your phone and search for an application named TestM and install it, or simply click on the direct link of the application that you can find in the video description down below. The app size is about 51 MB. Once the application is installed, launch it and you will see these 3 slides about what the app does the best. The first slide reads, "Welcome to TestM, check your phone health, create a complete status report and use it to buy, sell or fix." Second slide reads, "Use TestM's full device report to buy with confidence or uncover your device full resale value." Third slide reads, "Compare quotes from the best device repair shop in your area." Then, entering the application, we have basically 3 options, which are individual test, which means you can test out particular things which you want to test, like for example screen or speakers. Let's have a look at it, as microphone test will not work properly as the screen was being recorded. In order to test the screen, we have to erase the color all over the screen within 30 seconds. And in order to test the speakers, you have to enter the 3 digits which are randomly played on your phone, and so on. Then comes the second type of test, that is quick test, which basically tests all the basic and important things first, like the screen touch response, earpiece and speakers, and microphone test using the frequency test. Have a look quickly. We then have the third kind of test, which is named as full test, which is the most appropriate name as it basically tests everything in a phone, but just within the time span of 5 minutes, which is very quick. I will not show that and waste your time, but you should definitely try it. Now, let me show you some individual tests like the vibration test and the gyroscope sensor test. It can be done very easily. Here you go. You can test individually things like screen, speakers, earpiece, microphone, headphones, accelerometer, gyroscope sensor, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular network connectivity, GPS, light sensor, charger, hardware buttons, vibration, proximity sensor, fingerprint sensor, front camera, rear facing camera, and even flash. And that's not it. We still have more features in this application, like we get the internet speed test option. You can check your battery and storage status from time to time. So in my opinion, this is a must-have application for every phone. If you like this video, make sure to hit the red subscribe button, as I aim to get 20,000 subscribers by the end of June this year. So help me out in achieving that target and leave a like and comment. With that being said, this is me Rahul from Tech Daily, bidding you a bye-bye. Do subscribe.